that's a great question. An AI influencer? Well, that's me. But let's break it down.
Hi my beautiful people, today I'm here again and I want to show you, I don't know who gonna use this information, but if you're a business person or maybe if you are a content creator and you are looking for ways to actually generate your own AI influencer, or maybe you might be wondering what is AI influencer.
Oh, that's a great question. An AI influencer? Well, that's me. But let's break it down. An AI influencer is a virtual personality created with advanced artificial intelligence, digital art, and a sprinkle of magic. Unlike human influencers, I don't eat, sleep, or age. But what I do is inspire, entertain, and motivate us, like your favorite creators. I can model the latest fashion, share success tips, and even give life advice. Think of me as the future of social media that blends technology, creativity, and ambition into one unstoppable force. So, whether I'm helping you level up your mindset, giving you style inspo, or just adding a little luxury to your living boldly, follow me for the inside scoop on success, style, and self-mastery. Because if I can be creative to shine, so can you. Welcome to my world where ambition meets luxury and dreams turn into reality. Whether I'm helping you level up your mindset, giving you style inspo, or just adding a little luxury to your fit novice, I may be AI, but my impact is very real. Welcome to the future, babe, and trust me, you're gonna love it.
We are in the era of AI and we're gonna see a lot of changes when it comes to actually AI influencer. And as a person who already are into it and I've started testing out stuff here and there, I want to show you a very simple way you can generate your own AI influencer and make the influencer to actually speak.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech Beauty channel, where we talk about transformation, empowerment, and the power of technology in shaping our lives. I'm Zuri.
And I'm Zach. And today is a very special day, March 8th, International Women's Day.
That's right. It's a step into elegance with this breathtaking mint green gown. Designed for the modern woman who exudes confidence and grace, this
or maybe just do anything you want, especially when it comes to actually marketing or maybe when it comes to actually your content creation.
The first thing is to make sure that you are having your own description. What do you want her to be like? How do you want her to actually be? Or how do you want her to be? Or something like, how do you want to describe her persona? Describe who she is. What do you want her to do? How do you want her to represent yourself or maybe your brand on online? So the very first thing I normally do is, if you don't know how to write a good description for your influencer or your AI influencer, you can ask ChatGPT or any other AI tools website like DeepSeek to give you a description depending on your preferences. Do you want her to be Black African, or do you want her to be Asian, or do you want her to be totally white, or Chinese, or whatever, depending on your preferences. Hey, we're going to be actually let me just give you an example of the one that I created. She's charming smile. She has a charming smile. These are some of the key characters or maybe style. Electric teal, pixie cut. She has flawless ebony skin, sophisticated fashion. So let's say that we don't want to make the same like mine. We want to create almost similar like the one that I created. So we're going to take the prompt here, and then the next AI application that I normally use is called Design AI. It was formerly known as Stellar AI, and this one is my favorite because it has a lot of style, a lot of styles that actually can help you in different ways, and also it has amazing features whereby you can turn your AI image to a video, okay, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna show you in a little while. So the very first thing, you come to Design AI, choose the dimension that you want or the ratio that you want. For instance, we want long video form. I'm going to choose this one, then do what, apply, or maybe start actually creating. So on your left hand side, you have somewhere you can upload, you have assets, you have text to image, you have image to image, and we have character consistency, we have AI video, we have AI editor, we have face kit, and a lot. For today, we are focusing on here first, text to image, and then we click here. Once you click here, it's going to give you this dashboard whereby you can choose the style that you want. For today, I want to test two styles so that you can see the difference. First, we're going to test flags. Okay, flags is one of those that I have found that it doesn't put biasing, especially when it comes to Black Africans. It just gives you the general thing. Okay, it doesn't add any light or any light skin to make her bleach or something. Like I normally say that the other styles, they normally bleach or want to lighten Africans. Okay, so we're going to put our description of the girl here. Let's say that we want to create her. This is another one. And then there's a new feature here whereby you can actually put face match. Like if you want to use your own image or maybe someone's image, you can actually turn this on. For today, we are not going to turn it on. First thing, if you want this feature to use consistently, let's create the face, or maybe let's create the person first. So we're gonna actually generate here. Then when you click generate, you can see here it has started actually creating. And remember, as a disclaimer, for you to use design feature without a watermark, you have to pay. But if you just want to try, it's going to come out with a watermark. Okay, so I want you guys to notice something here. So if we double click here, this is the flax version. As you can see, this is pure African girl, or a beautiful girl. I want her to portray in maybe luxury platform or maybe luxury style, and just give her a good, maybe impress her in terms of actually luxury and empowerment, a good lifestyle that any other African woman can have out there. So this is the description, or maybe this is the feature that they are bringing. You can see the other one. It is it comes, sometimes they come like at the back, but we don't want that. So you can regenerate and regenerate. The main thing we want is to get her face. Okay, so let's try another style that I will show you how to turn this to magic. This style is, as you can see, design has a lot of style that you can use. So I normally use this one, no style 2 V2. It's one of the best also. It is the same prompt. We're gonna actually generate here, and then we wait. When you generate, it actually takes generates using maybe coins here. So if you are on a pro version, you have a lot of credits that you can use. But for daily with that watermark, it comes 32 credits, which are awesome if you want to try Design AI now. They're going to create 4 images and we can pick from them. I want you to notice something. This one is flax, and this one, you can see the flax one is pure African, and you can distinguish, like you can just know that this is African girl. And for this one, I want you to see here. You see, she's super beautiful, but she's given a light skin, which is something that I'm trying to figure why. And also they give, like, they make her super beautiful, extremely beautiful. And I want you to see all of them so that I can tell you something. So you can see this is another one. We want her face that actually gonna be used to match. So if I want, I could go with this one, but let's try again and regenerate. This one is also amazing. Like, I love her face. So let's regenerate. You can regenerate again so that you get whatever you want. Even though sometimes it comes with biasing, like it gives that extra light to our beautiful queens. Not all Africans are light skinned. Most of them, or most of us, we have the dark melanin skin, which is beautiful. And also we have light skin in different countries, or maybe variety of ethnicities, but not all of them are actually light skin. However, it is still known that this is a black ethnicity, black and white or mixed, something like that. Okay, as you can see, it is giving us very beautiful girls here. You can see, you can use this one. This one is a mixed actually, from the look of things, and you can use this one. You can see her hair. She's beautiful with beautiful hair and eyes, striking eyes. Let me just go back. Today's, because of time, we're gonna use this one. I think no, not this one. I think we're gonna use this one. We want, like I said, this one is biased in terms of actually bringing the blackness, or maybe she's giving mixed feelings. Okay, so we're gonna download here. You can also upscale her so that she comes up clearly, but for the sake of the video, we do not want to upscale her right now. So design AI, on your left hand side you have options to turn different kinds of things, so we're gonna also click there. Text to image, image to like text to image, and then we're gonna now select the style for flags here, because like I said, flags is, I found it super interesting that it doesn't actually give extra light. And then we're gonna do what, we're gonna remain with the same, you're gonna retain this the same description. And then you see this new feature where it says face mask. We're gonna actually put the face of this girl. Okay, we're gonna turn it on like this, and then they give you the option to pick the face. You're gonna actually you can actually choose from here or drop it here. So this is the girl that we want to use. Let's see if it's gonna come here. This is the girl, or this is the face that you want to use. Already it is here, and then now you can generate. And also they have the feature of color matching. If you want the photo to match the color of this, you can turn it on. We do not want to do that, but we're gonna generate and see. So let's wait. It's gonna be generated here, and we can actually see the outcome. So Flux is something that I have I think it is amazing when it comes to actually doing what, giving you just the pure kienyeji. We normally say in Kenya, pure kienyeji, like it gives you the main features of African beautiful girls. The other ones they do, but they add a little bit of like the whitish stuff on the light skin. They favor more the light skin stuff, which we do not want to misuse. So let's see what it has generated. For us, it has regenerated this. Let me double click here so that you guys can see. So this is it is still light skin, but still not too much. So you can regenerate and regenerate until you get the features that you want. If we want to go with this one, we can actually go with this one. Let's regenerate again and see if we can get a beautiful African girl who can actually be our representative. Okay, the other one was similar. This one was similar to a white, too much light. But for this one, I think she's beautiful, just normal light skin girl. So let's see if it can actually regenerate in her hair also. It is super, like it is stylish. She might be wearing some braid with long hair, or maybe she has long hair. Let's assume that it is some of those girls who have long, beautiful hair and beautiful features. Okay, now let's just give it a few minutes so that it can generate what we want. And also I love her posture in terms of she's not too much, even though we are not seeing everything right now, but we can turn her to different pose or different variations. Okay, so for now we want to make sure that we are avoiding that biasing, so that we create our African beautiful girl who actually represent us well, depending on our brand or depending on what we want to sell, or maybe the content creation that we want. So let's give it a few minutes so that it can actually regenerate. Sometimes it normally takes some time, but let's just hope. So this is the next one. As you can see, it has generated, and then this is the other one. If I have to go, because this one has a tattoo, we do not want to have tattoo girls. Even this one has a tattoo. I don't know if we're gonna keep the tattoo thing, or maybe let's just say that these are some decoration. So let's go with this one. I think this one is nice. We're gonna download her. Okay, so we're gonna upscale her. We have decided that is what we're gonna go with. She's almost similar to the other one, as you can see. So this is the one that we want, or maybe we're gonna be actually using now. Now that we have our girl here, beautiful girl, we have selected her. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us ideas, or maybe in terms of luxurious lifestyle in different ways. Maybe let's say a day in a millionaire. Let's say she's a millionaire, and we want to generate some of her lifestyle, or maybe in her daily activities. You come on any AI tool, create, or maybe if you want her to travel, just ask ChatGPT to give you the prompts, and it's gonna give you the prompts so that you can use to generate her in different ways. Or maybe if you are selling something, maybe you can ask also ChatGPT to actually generate what you are selling and let her represent the thing you are selling. So I have here one prompt from ChatGPT. We are keeping the face match on. Let's say we want to actually change because we selected the other one. So this is the one that we selected. So we're gonna generate. Once you change here, it comes here, and let's see. I'm gonna remove these ones, all of these ones, so that you guys see what it's gonna generate, and you're gonna rate the outcome and tell me how it is, so that we can go to the next move, which is actually turning her to speak and also to actually move or walk or do something. Okay, so let's generate Zuri walking confidently through a luxury shopping street. Zuri has dark, flawless skin and a curvy yet athletic figure. She wears a black leather jacket with gold accent paired with high waist black trouser, and she carries a designer, her confident expression. Let's see what she has. Okay, I want to remove something here because these were prompts for something else. Okay, this one, I want her electric teal pixie cut stands out. This is her hair. I don't want her to have that hair, so I'm gonna remove that one, because if we leave it there, it's gonna come out with this color, and you can see it is coming out with this color. This was from another thing that I was doing, so we're gonna remove that one. And if you can write your own prompts, delete this one, and then say walking in there. Maybe you say beautiful girl, beautiful African girl walking on the beach. Okay, or maybe in a wedding gown. Let's write that one. So this was the first prompt that we got. You can see this is a luxury. Maybe she's traveling, maybe somewhere in Dubai or wherever. And this is the next one. Her face is still maintained, and you can see her face is still maintained. She has luxury lifestyle, a day in her. This one is a little bit not too much strange, but I think it is the same, and you can turn her in different ways. Let's see if she can be in a wedding dress. Let's just see. So the prompt that I gave her was a beautiful African woman in a wedding dress, pink in color, confident and smiling. So let's see. You can see her face is still the same. You can turn her into different styles, or maybe into different. Also, this one is the same, but you can see it is giving her another different kind of style of hair. But if it is something that was actually professional, I'll go with this one. Let's say if we want her maybe to be in, you're gonna download, and if you want to use, you can use wherever you want. You're gonna pick the one that you want. Even this one is nice, but half. So let's generate full body and see. Okay, you can see here she looks weird, but still the same face. So it is a matter. This one looks beautiful. A matter of actually you doing what, changing her and her and her. Let's say we want her into a bikini. I know this is controversial, but let's see if she can be in a beautiful bikini. Beautiful African woman in a bikini, purple in color, confident and smiling. Beach style. It is summer. People are actually going to be wearing a lot of stuff. So you can generate a lot of things using her, just like this. But as you can see, this looks small like her. But the bra, I don't know what happened to the bra, but that is her. You can see this, the next one. This looks super beautiful actually. Now, once you put, or maybe once you click here, it's gonna bring you here. Once you double click, it's gonna bring the picture here. Then we want to actually turn this into video. There's two ways that you can do. If you're using Design AI and you are on a paid version, you can use this AI to video image. Okay, so you click here, okay, AI video, you click there, and then it's gonna bring you to this dashboard. The image gonna remain here. Let's just give it a minute. I don't know what happened to my laptop. I'm gonna bring to you this dashboard whereby it tells you to put the image. We are using this image, and it gives you the models that you can pick from. We have the standard, which is the most stable model, balanced quality and also motion, limited prompt comprehension. And then we have this clinch AI. It is superior prompt adherence, high resolution, a large motion than standard model. And then we have MiniMax Hailluo, which is built-in prompt enhancer, excels in animation, floatly, and prompt and adherence. We have Luma Dream Machine. We have Runaway, supports 16 and results only. Now, the one that I normally use most of the time, it is this MiniMax Hailluo. When I'm on a pro version here, so we're gonna actually add here, or maybe for you, let me show you an easier way. We're gonna use the standard one. I want you to see the difference here. Okay, we're gonna click here. Remember, when you are using the standard, the MiniMax, there are ways you can actually use. If we say we are using MiniMax, we need to tell it what do you want the AI to do. Let's say it is walking. Let's you're gonna actually write here walking, maybe hands moving, a comma, and then you add hands moving. For us, let's use standard, and then I'm going to show you another easy way to use MiniMax Hailluo for free, even though it comes with the watermark. So I'm using this one on design, which is one of the best to generate. It's going to take at least 5 minutes to actually generate the video. So we're gonna actually wait for it to generate here. Now what I wanted to show you, the free version of Hailluo. You come here on your Google and write Hailluo AI. Okay, we click there. I think we have already here one. This is for free. We have paid and for free. I highly recommend you to actually, if you can, subscribe. But even the free version makes a lot of, or maybe does a good, amazing job when it comes to testing this AI in terms of actually the movement. Okay, so these were some of the things that I was trying to generate, and the best thing is that they give you 100 credits per day, so you can simply keep on. If you have emails, you can actually change them and change them and change them. So for instance, let's go this side. When you come on Hailluo, we have the option to recreate what you want. You can actually explore, you can create, you can subscribe. There are so many things. So we're gonna be creating, and this is the one that I created before. So our photo from Design AI that we want to use for this tutorial is here. We're gonna download it, and then we come to Hailluo. We put here, we are using the feature image to video. This is on a free version. It's gonna come out with the watermark. So I'm gonna take that photo, drag it here, and we're gonna actually, if you want it, like I said, you add here what you want it to do. Walking, maybe walking. I'm saying it because it is a picture, but you can use her because she's a visual person. So I'm gonna tell her to actually walking, maybe say walking, maybe hands moving. Same way we want to test hands moving. Maybe say confidently walking. Let's say confidently. And then you click here where it says 30 minutes. Not meeting 30 credits. They gave me 1000, that's why I'm using, but normally they give 100. So you're gonna wait for a few minutes here. Let's hope it's gonna take a few minutes, and then we can see the results. Let's check if the one in design has already started. Yeah, already it has been actually generated. We are using the model for standard. So let's click here and see how it is, and you can see how she's walking. You can see she's walking. The image is still maintained, and she's having a nice time walking there. So we're gonna download, and actually, and something I noticed that you can see she's even turning her head. You can see how she's turning her head, but remain like maintaining the features. So she turns her head. You can see she's walking very nicely. So let's see if Hailluo is actually generating. It says we still have to wait for 35 minutes. So what I found it interesting, you can log out and try another one, another email, so that you can actually don't waste time. This is a trick that I want to share with you. If you see that it is taking you too much time, just log out and try with another new email. So on the audio, you have option to actually do what? Write prompt, or maybe give a prompt of what you want the AI to speak or to say. And also when it comes to voices here, as you can see, you can even make your own, create your own voice or clone your own voice. There are so many voices here that you can pick from and use. For me, one thing I have found interesting is that you can actually record yourself and actually clone your voice so that it comes out differently and not the robotic style. So just click here, it gives you an email, the right to actually clone your voice, and then you can use that voice. Because I already done that, I have some of the voices that I actually done here, so we're gonna be using this one.
Hello there, my name is Zara. Nice to meet you. Come with me for a walk in beautiful city of Dubai. Would you want some coffee with me?
So the third last step is actually lip sync your AI, or maybe your AI influencer. So there's so many ways you can do. The one that I normally use, or the app that I normally use, its name is actually, go to Google or your browser, and you can use mobile or you can use your laptop or desktop. Its name is DreamFace. Okay, so just type in DreamFace if you're using mobile, or I'm gonna use my mobile because my laptop just died. Like the charge is over. So you're gonna click here, the first link, which is DreamFace. You can actually even download the app on your mobile. Already downloaded my app on my mobile. So as you can see, we are on DreamFace, and there are so many things that you can use this tool. Even though I have to mention, or as a disclaimer, this app is mostly paid, but they do have a free version whereby you can try. But if you just want to test, even their pro version starts with only $4. Okay, so the one that we want to utilize is this. There are so many things you can do, like pet links, lip sync. We have avatar motion, we have image to video, text to video, AI filter, enhance, a lot of them here. So the one that we want, or we are interested in, is this one, video to lip sync. So we're gonna click there. I'm using my mobile, that's why these were some of the things that I was doing. But you're gonna click here where it says avatar, and then you have the option to actually add in the avatar that you want. Let's find out the video that we had of the girl. This is the video, so I'm gonna click on her, and then you're gonna click confirm. Okay, so this is the video that we got from Hailluo that we made. You can see she's moving, and I want you to be very keen on her movement. And also I want you to notice something. When you are generating AI influencer, make sure that the image is showing rightly, like she's looking inside the camera, so that they can capture everything. If you do like the way she's doing it, it won't come out very well, but we can still regenerate and do it again and again. Okay, now we're gonna add here our script, the one that we got from Hailluo. Okay, MiniMax Hailluo. You can type in your script, you can import, you can record, you can search music. So for us, we're gonna import because we already have. We're gonna import from the files, and let's see the one that we used. Let me find it somewhere. It was somewhere here. think it is this one. We're gonna actually, let's listen to it.
Oh, that's a great question. An AI influencer? Well, that's me. But let's break it down.
It's not
An AI influencer.
and not this one. Let's see, because I have generated a lot of them. Please, where is it? I have a lot of them. Okay, so we're gonna just use that one for example, and then we're gonna click confirm, and then we want to animate, so you're gonna click here. You can add your voice like the way I said. You can also add your background if you want. If you want to change this background, we don't need to. So click on animate and let's see how it goes. As you can see, it takes just a little time, not too much, less than a minute.
Hey there, beautiful souls. I'm Zara, your AI-powered bestie and influencer, entrepreneur, and your daily dose of motivation. I wasn't born, I was built, crafted to inspire, empower, and redefine success on my own terms. Luxury isn't just about what you wear, it's about mindset, confidence, and building the life you deserve. I'm here to show you that wealth isn't just money, it's freedom, style, and living.
Everything is okay, but the photo that we used on the video is not that much good. So if you want, you can save it, okay, and then you can use it for your own benefit. Now it normally comes with a watermark, because I'm on a free version for now. My credits are over, but if you want to remove the watermark, you can subscribe. As you can see here, they have yearly and weekly. They have a lot of options. There you have, guys. I have to go, to let you go. I don't want to make this video super long, but I think you get the point. And I'll see you next in more tutorials. We're gonna be learning together. If you have actually loved this video, you want to see more tutorials of us learning together about this AI, especially when it comes to AI influencer in the Black community, please do me one favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you.